baked lemon pudding. Delicious. Welcome back to the Cracked Mug. Today we're cooking a dish that's known by many names. All around the world, it's in many countries, different versions of it. I've seen it in cookbooks my entire life. So I'm just going to call it baked lemon pudding. It's absolutely gorgeous. It splits into 2 layers. It's quite sweet, but then again it's a dessert after all. It's wonderful served with whipped cream, unsweetened, and some berries if you have them. I think you'll really like it. I love anything lemon. So if you like lemon, you will love this. And the simplicity of making it is truly incredible. So, come on, let's get in that kitchen. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, softened, not quite melted like mine is. 3 tablespoons, 30 grams of all-purpose flour. 1 cup, which is 237 milliliters of whole milk. Half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar equal to 114 grams. 3 eggs, separated. Here I have really 2 good tablespoons of lemon zest. Half a cup, 118 milliliters of lemon juice. Here I have a happy lemon who escaped me squeezing it. All right, let's go. Into the bowl, we're going to add our sugar and our lemon zest. We're going to grind the sugar and the lemon zest together for just a minute. That literally was 60 seconds. To that, I'm going to add the butter, and I'm going to do the same thing. A wooden spoon, and just work that butter into the sugar. And this should take another minute. This is so simple to do. There. Should look like kind of wet yellow snow. Hello, doggy. All right, good enough. We're now going to add our egg yolks. Just going to mix these with a handheld mixer for a minute. That's it. We're going to add our flour and beat that in. Clean the side of your bowl, get all that flour in there. Now we're going to add our lemon juice. The smell of lemon. Clean your bowl again. Wash your beaters. You will need them shortly for the egg whites. Just going to use a little whisk to add our milk. All at once. Don't want to overwork the milk and the eggs. Lovely. Set this aside. Medium bowl. Add our egg whites. And we're going to beat these until they're stiff peaks. That is good. All right. So we are going to fold these egg whites into our egg mixture. I like to put a dollop in first and just give it a good whisk. Sort of an introduction. Reuniting the egg. Introduction's over. I am going to put all the egg white in here. And I am gently going to fold it in. Just taking the liquid on the bottom and passing it over like this. Continue to do that until it's fully incorporated. Do not overmix it. No need to, but we do want it incorporated. That's good enough. You'll see lumps, that's fine. Took about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using this dish, but your dish should hold a minimum of 5 cups of fluid. Just simply going to pour this in here. This can go into the oven as is. However, I do one more thing. When I'm cooking with eggs, I do like to put it into a little bit of a bath. So I'm using a 9x13 casserole dish. And I'm going to add hot water, not boiling, just hot water, till it's halfway up the side of this dish. I find it really helps with egg dishes. There, good enough. Now, carefully, pop this into your oven, and we're going to check it after 30 minutes. It may take up to 40. We'll be back. So that was in there for 35 minutes. It is firm to the touch, not hard, but firm. We have to let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then we'll have a try of it. All you can smell is lemon. It's amazing. All right, here goes. I'm gonna try it by itself first. This pudding. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. The top layer is a little cakey, and the bottom creamy lemon curd without actually making lemon curd. Wow, and it's tart right around the edges, but it's sweet on the tongue. I'm glad I used just that right amount of sugar. Oh my. The tartness of the berry cuts through the sweetness of the pudding itself, but the pudding is not too sweet. I would rather have baked this in a smaller dish. Maybe a square 9x9 would have been better, and I have gotten slightly thicker, maybe 1.5 inches in height. So it's a little flatter than I usually make it, but I don't have that dish at the moment. I have no idea where it is. I might have lost it in one of my moves. So I need to get another one, but 9x9 square dish would have been perfect for this one that you do maybe brownies in. This is so simple to make, and the results are quite amazing. Please get in the kitchen and make this. It's heavenly. If you love lemon, this is it. This is all you need for the rest of your days. Oh my God, I would have this with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It'd be amazing. So come on, get in there, make this, you'll love it. Let me know how you do. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. And come back soon. Until next time.